Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be exploring a delightful and beneficial tea that can be prepared with just 2 ingredients, hibiscus flowers and cinnamon powder. This tea is not only visually appealing with its vibrant color, but also offers a unique blend of flavors and a host of health benefits. Let's dive in. Hibiscus and cinnamon tea, a symphony of flavors and benefits. Hibiscus tea is known for its tart and fruity flavor, while cinnamon adds a warm and sweet note, creating a perfect balance in this tea. To make this tea, you will need 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus flowers or 2 hibiscus tea bags, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and water to brew. Hibiscus flowers come in different colors, ranging from white to pink and red, and each color has its own distinct flavor and health benefits. For this recipe, I'm using red hibiscus flowers, which are high in antioxidants and have a robust flavor. Now let's get started. In a saucepan, combine the hibiscus flowers and water. If you're using tea bags, you can simply put them in the water. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the hibiscus flowers to infuse their color and flavor into the tea. After simmering, turn off the heat and add the cinnamon powder. Stir well to ensure the cinnamon is evenly distributed. Now your hibiscus and cinnamon tea is ready. You can strain it if you prefer a smoother texture or drink it as it is. For a more intense flavor, you can add more hibiscus flowers or cinnamon powder according to your taste preferences. Health benefits of hibiscus and cinnamon tea. This tea is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Hibiscus is a rich source of antioxidants, which help protect the body against free radicals and reduce inflammation. It is also known for its potential to lower blood pressure and support liver health. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Moreover, cinnamon is a good source of fiber and vitamin K. In conclusion, hibiscus and cinnamon tea is a wonderful combination of taste and health benefits. Its vibrant color and unique blend of flavors make it a perfect choice for any tea lover. Whether you are looking to boost your antioxidant intake, support your liver health, or simply enjoy a delicious and aromatic tea, this recipe is worth a try. So why not give it a try and experience the delightful taste and benefits of hibiscus and cinnamon tea? Thank you for watching, and I invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay happy.